not talking to me like that?
I'm already starting.
Shut the f.
We got this weird ass universal. We got the homie Universal Knuckles. Who's good chat.
What's
I
up?
don't know any of these guys. And these multiverse man.
Howdy.
Anyways, I'm going. Hell yeah.
I already know what it is.
Where's this? I'm kinda hungry for some KFC right now. Hey, chicken, where you at? Yeah, I'm over here. Oh, ooh, oh shit. Hold on, I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, turn this sound a bit.
She's coming. I do like my hat. I stole from
She's not coming. She's not coming. Never mind.
I stole this hat from the guy called the police.
Go, run.
This way. She's not here. Yeah, exactly. Run. Run. Get out of here. Ugly ass. What's good, Jit? What's good, twin? Oh, damn. Well, yo, twin. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I interfered. I'm sorry I interfered with you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Go.
Universal. A part of my body just
What's
snapped.
up?
Ah! Something in my leg just snapped. Hey, over here. Look over here.
Hey,
Man. Hey, what's good here? Yeah, but
Oh.
get your
Fat.
oh.
Hey there.
That's what I ate your cousin last night. Yeah. I think we should probably run. Wait, I gotta go back.
I was gonna do something, but it would have been copyrighted.
Yeah, I'm getting this valve.
I was about to sing a song, but it was gonna be copyrighted.
Oh, I was gonna say, yo. Okay, I got this one. Please get the f
It's not from a guy called the police.
yo.
Alright, let's get out of here. Let's do this.
Yeah, let's get this going. Where's that ugly at? You at? Damn, she was right there. Okay. She answered my call. Oh, come on now. Weave. Oh, come on now. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna try Weaver. Weave. Oh, damn. Okay, cut this out.
Damn bucket. Don't leave me with these two. I don't want to be with the unicorns.
Yeah. I don't want to be with the unicorns. I'm getting the valves, don't worry.
Anyway.
Let's
It's
go
all
get
good,
the other
right,
ones.
bro? We just
Alright, I'm speed running right now.
Damn.
Alright, come on, Jit, let's go. Okay, you got with that one. Ah, you get this one over here. I'm gonna go down and get the other ones in the back.
Let me get this one.
I'm going to get the ones in the back.
Where?
Alright, and we're going. Pop, y'all's days have been good and I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just trying to I'm just trying to get content. There you go, I got it. Now, do we need this one? Wasn't there one over here? Pretty sure there was. Nah, I might just be tweaking. Yeah, I honestly might just be tweaking. Have I been tweaking? Yeah. That's crazy. I got it. Where'd this
Somebody must have had explosive diarrhea.
Yeah. Woo! Go! Oh! Hey! You're getting me close! You're getting way too close. Run! Johan, I'm going backwards. Oh! Yo, how good is it? Chica, how good is it? How good is...
I'm invincible.
Yo, she's on the tip right now. That's actually kind of crazy, man. Can you even get killed?
Probably not.
Oh, what the? She jump scared the. She jump scared me so bad I muted.
Yo.
I done muted your quill, bro. I
Why
literally
did you run
muted.
away so quick?
I muted as soon as I got jump scared. Yo, where's that at? Yeah, let's go, bad. Hey. Oh.
When it is
Yo.
me, you got a jump scare? I thought it was a FNAF 2 jump scare.
Oh sh. I'm out.
You got jump scared.
Hey man, you're way too close. Yeah. Except for me though, right?
Damn.
I'm alive and well. You. Hold on, I just want to smack you. Oh. Damn! Go! Yo, how good's the Chica? How good's the
The last time
How good's the Weave? I'm out. Halt. Run.
He's not actually.
Yo, she bluffing. Yo, quit the rage bait, Chica. Come on, quit the rage bait.
He died. Sonic.
I'm out. Yeah, be a good girl and stay right there in that corner. Yo. Yo.
Bye.
Regman.
Oh.
Joker.
Hey! Oh shit! How good's the Chica? How about the tip, bro? Go! This way. Oh, she's actually not on me for once. You're actually not. Damn. Yo, she is out for that. Oh, she really likes like that. Yo. Ah, hell no.
Feels like cracker.
Hibbity hoppity, get out of that property. Yo, she's on the tip, bro. Weave. Oh, weave. Oh. Weave. Yeah. Excuse me, pass by.
Watch her not.
Ooh. Oh, come on now. Oh. That she's stuck on you.
Belgium.
So she likes a tip, bro.
Today is a
Ooh. You just like the tip, don't you?
Actually got
Yeah. Yeah, go over there. Be a good little girl and follow them.
My mother.
Oh. Yo. Yeah, that's crazy.
I provide light, and I get.
Bro, you should have seen that. We just had the craziest Looney Tunes moment. I just walked in there. She was just standing there, slowly turned to look at me and start running. Crazy.
That
I'm
flashlight is
switching
brighter than my future. Switching back to being me because I just got beat the frick up for being a hedgehog.
Anyways,
Oh hell no! Come here.
nope.
It's
What's good, Chica? How you doing?
Hey, what's up?
Yo, what's good?
so bad.
Come eat your pizza, fat ass.
Bear.
Whoop.
Oh, can we?
Whoop. Hey, this is hedgehogism. This is hedgehogism. Hedgehogism. This is animalism. This is animalism. This is animalism. Hey, this is sexism. This is racism. Please leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm sorry. I'm out. I'm out. Yo, she hopped out the bed.
Come, go, 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 go. Hey.
Yo, you're hauling. I'm about to quit recording here in a few minutes, dog. You won't come here? You won't come here? Yeah, exactly. Go the other way. Go the other way. Yeah, be right there. Be a good little girl. Stay right there, chica. Yeah. If you keep saying that, the video might not end soon. Okay. Okay.
Come on, Chica. Bro,
Come on, Chica. I'll only end the video if they come straight at me. Like, just... Oh!